the stairs to the upstairs. Small little hip window. The master. It's pretty big. Smoke alarm. New lights. We moved the closet to over on the other side of the room. The attic access for the older part of the house, that's a single story. That is the attic access for the 2-story portion of the house, all nicely redone. Nice closet. She's gonna put curtains up for now. These are actually open top doors. That's to allow the heat to intermingle between the 2 rooms. Probably gonna panel those off. Haven't decided yet what to do. This is another little hip window, and this will be the playroom. All done. New window. All new windows throughout the whole house. Except for the little hip windows, we didn't replace those. And that's the end of this tour.